Right now we're at AREA BFE in Moab, Utah. It's one of the most extreme, I don't even want to call it Jeep tours. They have these crawlers and it's gonna be gnarly. We watched like no videos. ChatGPT said it'd be insane, so we booked it. They're sponsored by Monster and they're giving us a bunch, which is also dope.
Dude, our tour guides are the best things you can ask for.
They're actually so chill. Awesome. So we'll see how today goes, but it should be awesome. We have super high expectations.
You got some adrenaline, dude. You got some adrenaline going.
Hell yeah. This is like almost a vertical pitch.
We did everything. We did it like 10 times. It was awesome. Like crawling, drifting, freaking popping wheelies out of stuff. It was awesome. That's about the best experience you can get. We're in the best place to do it, Moab. This is the like world renowned, and we got world renowned like race car driver as our tour guide. I think this is the best guiding company. Like this is awesome. Like it couldn't have gone any better. Can't say much more. There's nothing else to say really.
It really isn't. This was like a once in a lifetime thing, and it might be twice in a lifetime because I would come back.
Yeah, for sure.